thank God. You see how peaceful is this place here? So quiet, beautiful, and calm. See how beautiful is this place here? I'm walking mini and I came across this forest. And I say, why can't you go inside there and see what is inside? All I can see is the big trees that doesn't complain. They're just here, standing tall with no complaint. Why should I complain every day when the tree doesn't complain and they look healthy? They trust in divine to say no matter what, no matter the cold, no matter the rain, we are standing tall. We know that God will feed us and will dress us. So, brother, you don't need to worry about nothing. Everything's always working out for us. Let us praise the Most High for this wonderful nature. Thank God, and I thank you, the Most High. In divine power, I trust. Be with me now and forever. I thank you. Mwah.